Animals can do amazing things. Hi, elephant. I can climb a tree. Can you climb a tree?
No, I can't climb a tree. But I can stomp. Boom. Can you stomp?
No, I can't stomp like you. Hi, bird. I can climb a tree. Can you climb a tree?
No, I can't climb a tree. But I can fly. Can you fly?
No, we can't
fly. Hi, fish. I can stomp. Can you stomp?
No, I can't stomp. But I can swim. Can you swim?
I can swim a little.
I can swim well.
I can't swim. Hi, cheetah. I can fly. Can you fly?
No, I can't fly. But I can run fast. Can you run fast?
No,
we
No,
can't run
we can't
fast
run
like you.
fast like you.
We are all different.
We all can do something.
What can you do? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. See you